And now to a News 4 Jax I-Team update on the JEA scandal. The former CEO is responding to claims that he breached the public's trust in attempting to sell the utility. Aaron Zahn says the agency is trying to make him and other senior leaders the scapegoat. News 4 Jax I-Team investigator Kelly Wiley is live in front of JEA. And Kelly, he's fighting for a private mediator to decide whether he gets paid more money.
Right, Mary, it's all born out of that. He requested this private, impartial mediator to basically decide whether or not he gets that six-figure payout that was in his contract. His attorney says he's entitled to that process, but JEA says that contract that laid out an arbitration process is not enforceable and illegal. The former CEO of JEA is firing back in a court case between himself and the agency he used to lead. Aaron Zahn and the entire Jacksonville Electric Authority is under federal investigation. It comes after revelations that if the utility was sold, employment contracts and a bonus plan could have paid out hundreds of millions to the CEO and his senior leadership team. The former CEO was fired with cause in December 2019 for misconduct, making him ineligible to receive the payout laid out in his contract. In a lawsuit JEA filed this year, the utility said the CEO's contract, including a provision that allows for private mediation of disputes, was unenforceable, saying the contract violated Florida law with an illegal retroactive salary increase, and that Zahn was told it was illegal by a city attorney, but failed to tell the JEA board before they approved the agreement. Zahn's legal team filed this new response to the claims Tuesday, saying JEA's claims were, quote, revisionist history concocted to publicly disparage and scapegoat Zahn. The response claimed city attorneys had reviewed and approved every resolution and document introduced, even pointing to a meeting where the board compensation chair said she'd met with Zahn about his employment agreement beforehand.
What he's failing to say in that document is that he wasn't honest with OGC. He wasn't honest with the board.
The former chair of the city council committee investigating JEA's attempted sale, Rory Diamond, says he's not forgiving any more money to Zahn.
This attempt to try and point at everyone else but himself is exactly what we saw when he was the CEO. It was not a legal contract, and he's doing exactly what he was doing before, trying to take this from the public forum where a jury is going to get to know about it and decide, to private arbitration and hide it from all of us.
And Zahn's attorney was not available for an interview today with our station, but he did share this statement, which I'm saying in part right now. We are confident an unbiased review will show Mr. Zahn and his entire senior leadership team has been and are being scapegoated for political expediency. Reporting live in downtown Jacksonville, Kelly Wiley, Channel 4, the local station.